Yo, what is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm going to be doing the first ever unboxing on this channel. Exciting stuff. Definitely going to have a ton more of these in store to come. Going to be picking up shoes pretty regularly going forward. You know, pretty much any release I can get my hands on. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, definitely do that ASAP by hitting the little subscribe button right below this video. And if you don't mind liking the video and commenting, it greatly helps out the channel. Another video will be coming out later this week. It'll be covering the sneaker releases for next week. It's going to be kind of a weekly video rotation that we'll be doing, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. I'll give you my insights onto what I think is going to resell for a lot, what I think is not going to resell, and just my overall opinion on the shoes coming out. But without further ado, let's get into the purpose of this video. We have our little unboxing to do today. I haven't picked up a shoe in a hot minute, to be honest. Most of the stuff that I've been getting has just been really basic stuff, like Vans and really simple stuff like that. You can see it behind me, actually. I've just been going with just a lot of casual shoes, stuff that I can wear and beat up every day. But in this instance, we do have something worth showing. So we got the box here. See the Just Do It tape. You already know what that means. Definitely gonna be something from Nike. But we've had a lot of stuff come out in the past couple weeks, and a lot of stuff coming up. Honestly, I'm super looking forward to seeing those off-white 4s coming up. You got the Grateful Dead Dunks. Just a lot of shoes that are gonna be super hype. This one's not in that same realm, but you know, it's just something that I figured if I could get my hands on, why not? So without further ado. Any peeksies? What do we got? I'm mad I just ripped that because I would definitely have used this box to ship out some stuff that I've been selling. But RIP, I guess. Alright. So a familiar box for these of you guys that might been into shoes for a while. These are kind of some of the OG looking boxes. I personally love these boxes. The only box that I think beats this box right here has to be the face box. If you have any shoes with the face box, you know it's good. But let's take a peek at the label. We got the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low IE. Let's see if anyone can guess what this is by the label. So yes, this came out this past Saturday. It did sell out, which I was pretty hyped to see. And let's take a look at them. Oh, that new shoe smell. So you got that definite... I was gonna say you got that new shoe smell, but you really don't. You have that smell that it kind of smells like a DSW shoe or something like that. The shoes smell a little bit different than I think they normally would. But we're not here to talk about the smell of the shoe. We're here to talk about what the shoe looks like. So without further ado, let's get a close-up on these. And if you can't see already, we got the Jordan 11 Low IE in the black cement colorway. I don't know, man. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this shoe down in the comments below. Interested to hear what all of you guys have to say about these. I got these just because I had the opportunity to get them, and it's the Nike Snkrs app release, so you know, why not? Shoot your shot every single time you can, pretty much. They're not going for anything crazy, like $215, $220 right now. At a $170 retail, you can make like $25-30. My thought with getting these was, you know, it's a black cement colorway. They're 11s, even though they're IEs, which obviously has a different value than a straight up regular 11. But it's two shoes that Jordan brand has always been famous for, hyping up 11s and then black cement colorways. So it's just like one of those things where, you know, it might not be worth a lot right now, but I'm not too worried about that. I'll take the $170, put them on the shelf, If I end up deciding that these things grow on me and I want to wear them, I'll wear them. If not, I'll let them marinate for a little while. I think the market on these is going to go up. An 11, a black cement, you can't really go wrong. People are going to want to buy it always. It's never really going to be a shoe that's going to dip too far below retail. Not worried I can get my money back on these at any point. But enough about the resale talk. Let's take a close-up look at these shoes and see how they look. Alright guys, so that wraps up this video. Thank you very much for stopping by the channel. It's greatly appreciated every time we get some views. Let's try and get everyone to smash that like button. It greatly helps out the channel as I'm trying to get growing. And then if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Much appreciated. I'll catch you guys in the next one.